Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Katanika. In today's video we have this icon from former Yugoslavia. This is BANE Sekulic padlock made out of zinc. The shackle is chrome plated, made out of soft steel, and this lock is partially rekeyable. The keys are pretty small. On them it says Sombor. This is the town where this lock is manufactured. So we have only Sombor stamped on the key, nothing else. But this is BANE Sekulic padlock. 35mm wide, pretty fat little lock, and we're gonna see what it takes to pick this lock open. I'm going to use this thicker tension wrench, which fits perfectly and also gives enough space to work with the lock. So, let's see. Those locks, even they are small, they're not easy to pick. I will explain you why. But let's focus on the picking, and we got this open. It was easy this time, but sometimes it's really hard to open those locks because zinc makes huge amount of friction, and when the core is a bit worn out, this is a fully chromed core, but when it's worn out, it makes friction even greater. So when you pick it, you don't know that you picked it actually. If you look up closely, we have this notch here. I don't know if you could see it. We have this notch here, and this notch is the mechanism retaining rod. This is not a notch. The notch is here, and this rod protrudes through that notch, and because of that, the mechanism is holding to the body. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.